Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this Sookgeer wireless Lavalier microphone. It comes in this small set here with a wireless transmitter and receiver, which is very convenient. It's super small, super lightweight and super easy to use. It comes with a small instructions manual, but actually it's not needed. It's very easy to use. Here's the box with some of the description. It comes with intelligent noise reduction, plug and play. I can definitely confirm that it is. It is working with Bluetooth, but you don't have to do anything. It's just saying that it's using Bluetooth. It has wireless reach of about 15 meters or 50 feet. It is an omnidirectional microphone, 360 degrees, high sensitivity. It definitely is. I've already tested this, but I'm going to show you that in detail, and I'm also going to show you a microphone test sample. It has wide compatibility. Yeah, I can confirm that. The only thing where it's not compatible is where you have USB-C without power. That's, for example, something like that GoPro. Unfortunately, at least this thing here, I can't tell you if it's working with the multimedia kit, but when you plug it in here, even when it's turned on, when we plug it in here, there's no red light. So that means it doesn't get any power. By the way, this part here is the receiver. It doesn't have any power, so it has to be charged or powered actually from the device, recording device. Here's the microphone, and it has a built-in battery which you charge for about 2 hours, and then it lasts for about 4 to 6 hours. Very convenient, no cable needed, just during the charge. You get this USB-C cable if you need that, but you can use every other normal standard USB-C to charge it. What we can see here in this example here is the GoPro. You can see it's running on the battery. We can plug it in here, and it means it will charge then this device. It's not charging or not powering the receiver. You can see there's still no red light, so it doesn't help when we plug it in here. If the device itself doesn't support power over USB-C, then it's not working. There are some exceptions like here with the GoPro, but apart from that, a lot of devices are supporting that. So I think it will work with most of the smartphones, but with some cameras it might not work. So I have here my mobile phone with a voice recording software, and we can open that. It has a USB-C, and actually it has even a 3.5mm jack, but we can conveniently use also the USB-C. There's no message confirming that it's plugged in, but we can see, I think there's a red blinking light which indicates that there is no connection. So we have to fully charge this and then press the on button. It's down here. We just press it here, and then the first time it goes into green and red blinking, and this here as well, or blinking red, and after some time it's showing steady red. I hope you can see that here, and steady green here, which means it's nicely connected. By the way, you have also a mute button, so we press here underneath for the mute, then it goes into green blinking. You can see it's not recording anything no matter what we are doing. We push here again, and then it goes into normal recording, and you can see here that it is nicely recording. It's very sensitive. You can see I hold this even far away from me, and it is nicely recording on a high level, very sensitive. It doesn't pick up very low voice like a lot of bass or so, but it is very sensitive. That's the good thing here. So there is really not a lot to do. We have not many buttons. It's so easy here. The charging port here, we have also this clamp which you can use to clip on your t-shirt or wherever you want to put that. And here we have the pass-through charging, which we already had. By the way, with a long press here we can turn it off. You can see about 3 seconds or so, and there's also a reset pinhole here down underneath. You can push it for 3 seconds to reset if you experience any trouble like with the communication or so. But I haven't had any problem so far, and now, as promised, I'm going to play the voice sample for you so you can listen to that. Lavalier microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. Lavalier microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. So I hope you have been able to hear that, and I really didn't have to boost this thing. This is the normal voice recording level, very sensitive, so very convenient, no cables, just plug and play, almost nothing to do. Maybe what I wished in the future that they could maybe add such a case here like with earbuds or so, because it's so small. It would be so convenient to have it in a smaller box. You could carry it in your pants pockets or so, but we still get this nice box here. You can take it with you with this box here. I'm really happy with it, helps me a lot. And so I can give you full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.